Ready to transform your space into a visual masterpiece? Today, we're diving into the world of artistic wall art and cutting-edge media wall designs that will elevate your home decor to a whole new level. Let's start with wall art. Whether you're a fan of abstract designs, modern minimalism, or bold statement pieces, the right wall art can completely change the mood of any room. Consider large-scale canvases, metal sculptures, or even gallery walls to bring a dynamic and personalized touch to your space. Moving on to media wall designs. This trend is all about creating functional yet stylish spaces where technology meets art. Imagine your TV seamlessly blending into a custom-built wall with backlit shelves, floating cabinets, and integrated sound systems. Use sleek finishes like stone, wood, or even wallpaper to give your media wall an elegant, contemporary look. With the right balance of creativity and technology, you can craft a media wall that not only serves its purpose, but also acts as the centerpiece of your room. Ready to take your decor to the next level? Start crafting your own masterpiece with these stunning wall art and media wall design ideas. For more inspirational home design tips, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching.